Okay, I think I know a little bit about Dad a little bit. Okay. Dad is in what armed forces? The Navy. And Dad's been not here for a little bit, has he? Dad, I think, has not been home for how long?
A long time.
Almost a year. 10 months. Her dad has not been home. He's been overseas, all far away. And has that been hard?
Yeah.
And do you miss him?
Yeah.
Rocky, what do you think about that? Boys and girls, we surprised Callie. This is Callie's dad. Welcome home, John and Freddie. Navy Chief. John's the class of 2005 right here at Danbury. Has been gone for 10 months, 297 days away from this little girl. Home again. The Navy Chief, we want to thank you for your service and welcome home. Let's give them one more big round of applause.